Alright, everybody, here is the bird. It's a lot of fun, this piece of shit. I'm gonna finish my soda. I'm gonna fall on my ass. Alright, let's go. Hopefully I don't fall on my ass. I would have this on camera. This is so you can check out what's up. Take this shit off first. Let's see. Oh shit. Woo yeah. Right. This shit is fun. Well, it's not like I can drive with this shit, and fucking just one. You see this little thing? If I don't grab it, just one arm is I'm gonna fall on my ass. So anyway, this bird is a lot of fun. Hopefully you can do it one day, or you can do it anytime you are here. Bye bye.